Hi, in this video, we're going to define your content pillars. This is the first step of setting up your linking strategy. First, what is a content pillar? It's basically who you want to reach and what you post about. So both your target audience and the themes you want to post about. Secondly, we're going to define your content pillars. That means selecting 3 to 5 recurring themes that will directly serve your audience or the who you want to reach. Once you've done this, you want to update these content pillars in Taplio, and I'm going to show you how. So you're going to head out on Taplio, on the dashboard here, and access your account settings in AI settings here. There, this is basically who you are, the language you write in, where you work in, who you are, and the content pillars, who you want to reach, and what you post about. So for me, I want to reach product managers, founders, and people trying to break into product roles. For you, it might be very different. And I'm posting mainly on product management best practices, frameworks, growth strategies, team alignment, product career learnings. This is an exercise you want to do right away. When you're on board on Taplio, we pre-fill those information based on your profile, but you can also modify them accessing the settings or directly during the onboarding. Once you've done this, you can associate a label to every one of your content pillars so that when you create a post, you can put a label on the post for better analysis and to make sure that you have a guideline to start with and that you don't go random on the themes you're starting from. So what you want to do is going there and create your labels. So for me, I have one label per content pillar, and you can create a label just by creating a new one here. So for example, new label. And there I have my new label created, associated with the post I was about to put in. And that's how you define your content pillars.